Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. Now to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume up together. And you can let go of them once you see the logo disappear. There we go. And there we go. So we are now in the recovery mode. Now in this mode, you'll need to use volume keys to navigate through this. So volume down goes down and up goes up, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And as you can see, from here you can boot into, well, back to Android, reboot to bootloader, which enters fast boot mode, apply updates from ADB or SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off the device. And like I mentioned, whatever you select, confirm with power key. And because I want to leave this, I stuck with the first option, which brings me back to Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.